there is something called anacrusic. And the anacrusics are some notes that the instruments play before they jump in. This is something we explain in our musicality course, online course, how this works, because sometimes the violin just jump in and they surprise you, but sometimes there is a kind of preparation before and they play some notes while it's very rhythmical, and you listen, the violin is doing something and you prepare for another dynamic. So sometimes the music really prepares you before they change the dynamic. Not always, of course, but in many cases they do.
For those of you who have been dancing tango for years, but you feel that you can't quite capture the essence of it and step up to the next level, still struggling to communicate in the language of tango. And for those of you that are just at the beginning of your tango journey, maybe not even taken a class yet because it's intimidating and you are not sure if it is for you. Never before has this ensemble of tango experts came together to reveal the unique and ever-changing thought process behind teaching, learning, sharing, and evolving Argentine tango. The Tango Secrets Summit will give you a glimpse into full understanding. It will allow you to attain unattainable, even if just for a second.